Pinayagan ang Disney princess mag out of the country trip with her friends, and today we went, actually hindi today, luma na tong video to, but I went to Vietnam with Doreen, Bianca, Jeanette, and Jose. And yes, it's a red-eye flight, and literal na red na yung eyes namin. Pero laban, push to. Here is the Vietnam crew, and nagboard na kami. Actually, medyo medyo mainit dun sa flight, pero sige, itutulog na lang namin. So there's us na naka-shades and naka-hoodie and naka-cover ang everything because namamaga na yung mata namin. We landed sa Vietnam mga 5:30 a.m. and laban agad. So this is us going out of the airport lang. And ang first thought, pagkalabas ay naiya ba ako ulit? Then we booked a grab papunta sa Airbnb namin, which was 30 minutes away. Nagsettle kami sa Airbnb kasi kailangan namin ng bigger space and mas mura siya compared to a hotel. And this is our maleta situation. Sabi namin, empty maleta kasi for sure magsha-shopping tayo. And yun yung nangyari. We did like a 3-4 hour nap, got ready, nag-outfit. Nag-coordinate kami ng outfit this day. And then nag-grab na kami. Papunta muna pala to get brunch isang restaurant. The restaurant we chose was Man Moy. It's part of the Michelin Guide. So sabi namin, looks very promising kasi ang ganda rin ng place. Tingnan nyo. It's very, very different. And ito kami, very creators in the wild kasi na-amaze kami. Ang ganda nung place. And this was our drinks. I got a kumquat salted plum drink. It was a choice. Pero you know what? I will not yuck someone's yum, but I'll just say it's not for me. Pero this is the other food we got. Yung fresh na spring roll. We got also yung fried spring roll, pork jowl, clam soup. This place, yung pinakamahal na ata na kinainan namin. Yung price niya is giving BGC restaurants. Pero you know, it was an experience. Pansin din namin the food there, and daming gulay. Then dun sa baba ng restaurant, may mga souvenir shop lang. And then we went to Takashimaya na. Time to shop na. Here we go. Sabi pa namin, chill lang kasi naman it's our first day. Tignan lang natin what's out there. Pero that department store, very delikado siya. But for me, I got 3 pieces lang. Tignan nyo na lang yung haul ng iba to see what they got. Pero magkakatabi kasi sila and the quality is so nice. Parang kung ano yung babayaran mo for 3-4K sa Pilipinas, 1K lang sa kanila or less. Then palabas na kami ng mall, may nakita lang kaming event, so go to that person. Then we had dinner sa 4-piece, Italian place siya. Girl, ang sarap niya so much and sobrang reasonable ng price. It was life-changing. I wanna go back. And then we ended the day with a convenience store run and nag-withdraw na rin kami sa ATM kasi wala kaming ka-cash. Bye, friends!